Our opening face-off tonight brought to you by Simpson Chevy, and we are underway. The Canes in their road whites with red pants and red numbers, and the Ducks in their third jerseys, the orange. Delzato will chase to the far boards and clears it up the middle. This will go the length of the ice. They rule no icing, so Kasha will pressure as Edmondson reversed it away from him. Getzlaf got to it and got it to the net. Mrazek sealed it off of both benches. Grant's pass picked off by Teravainen. Makes a move in the neutral zone, hands it off on the wing, and the shot from Niederreiter kicked away by Miller. He's in the hockey game. Troy Terry tries to bring it off the boards, but Teravainen pitchforks it away, and a breakaway pass intercepted by Lindholm in the neutral zone. Anaheim trying to counter quickly. Steele drops it to Terry, pulls it in. Glove save, Mrazek.
That's a good stop. That top corner over the left hand of the goaltender. Not a lot of speed for Troy Terry there, and that's the difference. You know, if you're going to take a wrist shot or a snapshot.
Pesce banks it ahead, but didn't get it out of the zone, and now Terry has it left corner. Picked up by the much larger Pesce. He's got a long reach, and he dislodges the puck down low. The Canes control. Lucas Walmart feeds Pesce through the neutral zone. He jumps into the play. Long wrist shot. Blockered away by Miller.
Hey guys, we got to be ready to go when this one gets started. You got to give them something that they can prove to you that they're really ready to go.
Here's Henrique into the Carolina zone. He scores! Get it to the hot hand. Rico and the Swedes strike again.
Season, and watch this play by Rickard Rakell. He gives it back to the D. Now the regroup is on. Little touch pass, and the Canes get over aggressive. And that leaves Adam Henrique wide open on the far side of the ice. And this time he looks up and fools Mrazek. Short side, top shelf.
This one off a skate and in. Delzato got a stick on it. Comes right into the slot. Miller forced to make a save. The rebound just bounced away as Hamilton came all the way down to pounce on.
That's a great stop by Ryan Miller. Hope the guy that comes out of the penalty box on the attack.
Steele waits for a trailer. It's Fowler. Score! Tipped in front. And the Ducks have a 2-0 lead. Troy Terry has his first of the year.
His last effort against the Sabres. Look at the speed in the neutral zone for Terry. And where does he go? Front of the net. Get your stick on the ice. He does. Fowler rips it low. And a deft little redirect of that puck by Troy Terry in front of the net. Mrazek has no chance. Yeah, you don't think of Troy Terry as a guy is going to go to the front of the net. He's kind of got a slight frame.
Brett Pesce's big man, 6'3" back there on the blue line. He got in the way of that. Puck bounces through to Silverberg, fresh off the bench. He's in. Just kept out. He gets it back and scores from below the goal line. What a play by Jakob Silverberg.
Over a stick to Jakob Silverberg. Tries to go 5-hole. Mrazek got a little piece, but he sticks with it and slams it in short side. Look at that. Through the 5-hole, but Silverberg, Johnny on the spot. Edmondson can't get across to put any pressure on Jakob Silverberg.
Troy Terry goal. Steele now with assists in 2 straight games. Ducks gain the zone. Terry gives it to Silverberg. Pulls it to the forehand. Oh, just had his stick slashed at the moment of truth. He had Mrazek beat.
Jacob Slavin. A little slash right there onto the stick of Jakob Silverberg.
Now, third team in 7 seasons in the league now. Started out with the Red Wings and then spent some time in Philly. Lindholm off of Mrazek, and it popped just over top of the net.
4-0 game. Hampus Lindholm does everything right here. Watch the little fake right here. Slavin bites, and then he slides it across. That was Devon Shore that gets a touch on this puck, but it goes up and right over top of the crossbar.
They're offside. Ducks know it, so they're aggressive up at that blue line. And Rowney able to lay it back. Lindholm stretches it ahead. Here's Rakell short-handed. Mrazek fights it off, and then off the crossbar. No, it's in! A short-handed goal as Rowney potted it in and out so quick. Not too many were sure, including yours truly.
And the Canes are flat-footed defending. Look at the gap for Rickard Rakell. Gardiner is deep. No one can get to the rebound, but Carter Rowney does. And he knows where to go. Up top, and under the bar, and that is going to do it for Peter Mrazek. What a shot. What a finish for Carter Rowney. Questionable call, shall we say, that puts the Ducks shorthanded.
Third Carolina power play as Teravainen gets it to the net, and it's tipped in. Erik Haula has his 7th of the season, and the Canes are on the board.
Well, Manson can't get the clear, and boy, no hesitation whatsoever. That puck is just snapped by Teravainen towards the front of the net, and there's the redirect.
Feeds it back to the line. Long wrister by Fowler. Tipped on the way. Reimer trying to find it as he went below the goal line. And again, he doesn't get it. Comtois with a drive off the side of the goal. And a second effort. Svechnikov goes outside in. He's into the zone. Feeds it ahead. And Miller flashes the left pad to deny Aho yet again. His feet, he and Teravainen swat away at it. And now Shore in tight quarters puts it right back into them. Holzer drops down. Cleared to the line, but not out. Fleury walks into it, steps into it, and scores! Hayden Fleury, and don't look now. The Canes have cut the Ducks' lead in half.
And as a result, Hayden Fleury is allowed to step right in and rip it. Holzer goes out for the block, and in doing so, I think he inadvertently screens Ryan Miller.
And Necas just a little late. Getting to it, Raquel trying to get inside on Van Reems, like one-handed and on net. And Reimer covers it.
Attacking forwards have to be aware of the goaltender. If he comes into the goal crease and there's contact with Reimer there.
Forced to his backhand, goes behind the net, keeps possession, tries to sneak it out for Dzingel. Instead, it's Gardner, his shot blocked across, and here's an open Teravainen, and a big save by Lindholm, who makes the save as he breaks his stick in the process.
What a block. Open net.
I thought Teravainen was going to make it a one-goal game.
Yeah, there's the first block by Lindholm. There's the second one, and you can see Ryan Miller was down and out on his wallet on that play. And sometimes you need your defense to bail you out, and boy, did Hampus Lindholm.
Svechnikov gets to it behind the net. Fowler angles him off. Fogle indirect off the boards, and Slavin's shot got through. Miller with the save.
Yeah, that's a good stop by Ryan Miller.
Fogle around a couple defenders. Never really got that puck on his blade the way he wanted it.
And moments ago, Jacob Slavin, who can really hammer it, steps into that one, and you can see that Miller tracks it, extends that left leg, and makes a real good stop, and maybe even more importantly, where the rebound goes.
Has it in the Carolina zone. Terry pulls it off the end boards, trying to get away from Slavin. Troy Terry got it to Jones, got it towards the net. Steele trying to get a little touch. Edmondson now takes a look. Shore went down to block it and forced him to just spin it up the boards. He took away the shooting lane. Necas off the side of the goal as he pulled that off the wall. On the right boards, Stahl behind the net. It's Aho. Tries to center. Fanning on it was Niederreiter. Down to 1:20 to go. Kept at the top of the zone. Slavin throws a wrist shot off a shin pad. Niederreiter got back to it. Miller covers it up.
Paddle of the stick along the ice, so he knows that the bottom of the net is protected. He knows the only way they're going to be able to score at that point.
5 seconds. Fogle behind the net, trying to work it in front. It's off Teravainen, and the hockey game is over. They come to their feet at Honda Center. The Ducks a perfect 4-0 at home.